Welcome to the video that answers the question, what is the third grade problem-solving screener? The third grade problem-solving screener is a diagnostic assessment that is tied to the previous grade level's prerequisite text. Since this assessment is given to every third grade math student at the beginning of the school year, it tests problem-solving with second grade concepts and applications, those skills that students entering grade 3 should have mastered. It is important to note that there is no time limit for the problem-solving screener. If a particular student takes much longer than others, that rate of speed is worth noting, but don't cut a student off if they're still productively engaging with the assessment. On the other hand, don't allow a student to sit frustrated for a lengthy amount of time, unable to answer any items. Use your professional judgment. This paper and pencil assessment may be given to the whole class at one time. The third grade problem-solving screener is 20 questions long. Visuals are used throughout the assessment, which is a mix of multiple choice, fill-in-the-blank, and griddable items. The entire assessment is linked on the Math Personalized Learning site for you to print, copy, and staple for your class. Once again, this paper-pencil assessment may be given to the whole class at the same time. A key that denotes which second grade math text to which each question aligns is provided on the Math Personalized Learning site. There will be an updated key each school year in DMAC. The last item on this third grade assessment will not be entered in DMAC, but will be hand graded by the teacher. Note that the last column of the key also states which reported category each item is aligned to.